Hello student, chemistry subject, unit 12th, aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid. In previous video, we discussed about classification of aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid. In classification of aldehyde, aldehyde can be classified into two types, aliphatic aldehyde and aromatic aldehyde. And ketone can be classified into two types, aliphatic ketones and aromatic ketones. In aromatic ketones, only one type, aromatic ketone, and in aliphatic ketone can be classified into two types, simple ketone and mixed ketone. And carboxylic acid classified into two types, aliphatic and aromatic carboxylic acid. In this first, preparation of aldehyde and ketone. From acyl chloride, both aldehyde and ketone are obtained from this process, but reaction involved are different. In this first, preparation of aldehyde from acyl chloride. Acyl chloride is reduced to corresponding aldehyde by hydrogen using a palladium catalyst poisoned with barium sulfate. This reaction is known as Rosenmund reaction. In this, simple reaction is R single dash C double bond O single dash Cl, which is acyl chloride. These react with hydrogen with palladium poisoned with barium sulfate. It gives R single bond C double bond OH plus hydrochloric acid. Rosenmund reduction reaction. In this, simple reaction is acyl chloride, which is RC double bond OCl, react with hydrogen in presence of palladium poisoned with barium sulfate. It gives aldehyde, which is RC double bond OH plus hydrochloric acid. All of you know what is reduction. Redox reaction means what? Redox means reduction and oxidation. Reduction means gaining of electron or gain of hydrogen, and oxidation means lose of electron or gain of oxygen. In these reaction, gain of hydrogen is occur. In place of chlorine, chlorine is replaced by hydrogen and gives aldehyde group. So this reaction is reduction reaction and also known as Rosenmund reduction reaction. Preparation of ketone from acyl chloride. Preparation of ketone from acyl chloride. Ketones are obtained from acyl chloride by reaction with dialkyl cadmium, which is prepared by the treatment of cadmium chloride with Grignard reagent. All of you know what is Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent means RMgX. R means any alkane group, magnesium, and X means halide. This Grignard reagent react with cadmium dichloride and it gives alkyl cadmium and with 2mgxCl. In this second example, 2R-COCl means acyl chloride. These acyl chloride react with dialkyl cadmium. These dialkyl cadmium gives by reaction of Grignard reagent with cadmium dichloride. This Grignard reagent and cadmium dichloride gives dialkyl cadmium, and this dialkyl cadmium is carried forward with acyl chloride. Acyl chloride react with dialkyl cadmium and it gives ketone, which is 2R-COR plus cadmium dichloride. Ethanoyl chloride, which is 2CH3COCl. This ethanoyl chloride react with dimethyl cadmium. This dimethyl cadmium is from Grignard reagent and cadmium chloride reaction. Grignard reagent and cadmium chloride react with each other and give dimethyl cadmium. This ethanoyl chloride and dimethyl cadmium react with each other and gives propanone. Propanone means 2CH3 double bond O single bond CH3. Propanone is also known as acetone with cadmium chloride. In this first, preparation of aldehyde from nitriles. Nitriles are reduced to imine hydrochloride by stannous chloride in presence of hydrochloric acid, which on acid hydrolysis gives corresponding aldehyde. This reaction is known as Stephan reaction. All of you know what is reduction. Reduction means gain of electron or gain of hydrogen. In this reaction also gaining of hydrogen is done. And this reaction is also known as Stephan reaction. In Stephan reaction, alkane nitrile, which is R single bond C triple bond N, react with hydrogen, 2 hydrogen, in presence of stannous chloride SnCl2 with hydrochloric acid. Reduction is done. It gives R single bond CH double bond NH dot HCl, which is imine hydrochloride. This imine hydrochloride is intermediate reactant or intermediate product. This intermediate product after H3O plus gives R single bond CHO. This is the aldehyde plus NH4Cl, ammonium chloride. In this example is CH3C triple bond N, which is alkane nitrile or methane nitrile, react with 2 hydrogen atom in presence of stannous chloride and with hydrochloric acid. Reduction is done. Here CH3-CH double bond NH HCl, 2 hydrogen in reactant react with first reactant and one of hydrogen is combined with carbon and one of hydrogen is combined with nitrogen, and hydrochloric acid is attack on this nitrile group, and this is the intermediate product. After this, reduction is done with H3O plus and our product is ethanol, which is CH3 single bond CHO plus NH4Cl. NH4Cl is ammonium chloride. Next is preparation of ketones from nitriles. Ketones are prepared by reacting nitriles with Grignard reagent in a dry ether as solvent, followed by acid hydrolysis. Ketones are also prepared by using nitrile by using Grignard reagent. All of you know Grignard reagent. In previous reaction, we know Grignard reagent means RMgX, magnesium with alkane and halide group. Next is preparation of ketones from nitriles. Ketones are prepared by reacting nitriles with Grignard reagent in a dry ether as solvent, followed by acid hydrolysis. Ketones are also prepared by using nitrile by using Grignard reagent. All of you know Grignard reagent. In previous reaction, we know Grignard reagent means RMgX, magnesium with alkane and halide group. Aldehyde and ketone from aromatic hydrocarbon. First, preparation of aromatic aldehyde from hydrocarbons. In these, strong oxidizing agent transform CH3 group bonded to aromatic ring into carboxylic group, which is COOH. In preparation of aromatic aldehyde from hydrocarbon, first reaction is Itard reaction. Itard reaction means methyl group in methyl benzene is oxidized by oxidizing agent chromyl chloride in carbon disulfide as solvent to form a chromium complex, from which the corresponding benzaldehyde is obtained on acid hydrolysis. This reaction is known as Itard reaction. This reaction is known as Itard reaction. In this reaction, oxidizing agent is chromyl chloride. In Itard reaction, benzene ring is attached with methane group, which is toluene, is react with chromyl chloride. Chromyl chloride means CrO2Cl2. This toluene and chromyl chloride react with each other in presence of CS2, which is carbon disulfide. It gives intermediate product. After this intermediate product is reduced by using H3O plus. This reaction gives benzaldehyde, benzene ring attached with CHO. Then in this second reaction is by oxidation of methyl arene. Methyl arene is also known as methyl benzene using chromium oxide. Methyl arene is converted into benzaldene diacetate on treatment with chromium oxide in acetic anhydride at 273 to 278 Kelvin. The diacetate derivative on acid hydrolysis gives corresponding aldehyde. All of you know what is oxidation. Oxidation means, what is oxidation? In oxidation, electron is loses and oxygen is gaining. Then in this second reaction is by oxidation of methyl arene. Methyl arene is also known as methyl benzene using chromium oxide. Methyl arene is converted into benzaldene diacetate on treatment with chromium oxide in acetic anhydride at 273 to 278 Kelvin. The diacetate derivative on acid hydrolysis gives corresponding aldehyde. All of you know what is oxidation. Oxidation means, what is oxidation? In oxidation, electron is loses and oxygen is gaining by side chain chlorination of toluene. Side chain chlorination of toluene gives benzyl chloride, which on acid hydrolysis at 373 Kelvin gives benzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde is manufactured commercially by this method by side chain chlorination of toluene. Side chain chlorination of toluene gives benzyl chloride, which on acid hydrolysis at 373 Kelvin gives benzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde is manufactured commercially by this method. Fourth reaction is Gattermann-Koch formylation of arene. Benzene or substituted benzene is treated under high pressure with carbon monoxide and hydrogen chloride in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride or cuprous chloride to give benzaldehyde. In this benzene ring in presence of carbon monoxide and hydrogen chloride with anhydrous aluminum chloride under high pressure react with each other and gives benzaldehyde.